Hey guys, in this lesson I am going to solve this problem. Write a C program to input the package type and the number of people from the keyboard and calculate total cost. Here these are packages and these are package price for per person. Okay. Identify the user inputs and calculations and outputs. Actually, when it's come to user inputs, user have to select what is the package and how many people are there. Then they can calculate the price. Let's go ahead and open our IDE. I'm using Visual Studio Code for C programming. You can use your IDE, then you can create your C file. Let us say package price.c. You can use whatever you want, and you have to include this .c, which is the extension for C programming. Firstly, we have to say hash include angle bracket stdioh angle bracket clause. Then in main function we have to return 0 inside that. Okay, firstly let's define user have to see these packages and they have to select packages. I'm going to say printf select the package, and I'm going to create a new line for next statement. Printf again. Here I will say for host right enter number 1. Here in the below I will also say printf for scuba diving enter number 2. Okay, I had to make new lines in each statement by adding backslash and n. In the third statement, printf for water rafting enter number 3 and then backslash n. Okay, each and every statement I have to end up with the semicolon. Alright, now I will ask for scanf. Here I need a integer variable for these numbers. I will go ahead and say int num and then semicolon. In the scanf I will add double quotation. Inside that I will say percentage symbol and d. Now I have to say comma and ampersand. Ampersand means we are going to define the memory location of particular variable. Here in this case we are going to pass in num and then semicolon. Alright, now the thing is we have to identify user have selected 1, 2, 3. If user entered something else, we have to end up with the error. I will use if statement for this and checking whether num is equals to 1 and then braces int brace and another else if statement. Inside this I will also check num is equals to 2 and then braces again. In the other statement I will say num is equals to 3. Now we are checking this value is equal to 1 or 2 or 3. In the else statement we can go ahead and say printf invalid input and then backslash n. Alright, now if user have selected option 1, I can go ahead and uh, show the price for post right, which is 2000. Print you have selected post right package. That package will cost LKR 2000. Let's say, yeah, okay, 2000 for per person, and then I will end up with the semicolon. Okay, now I will add another printf statement. Please tell us how tell us how many people are there, and I will add a backslash n to make a new line. Also here I want to add a new line, otherwise everything will get unable to read. Now here I will go ahead and say int x, like that, to get the how many people. Now I will say scanf percentage symbol and d, comma, ampersand and x, this one. Alright, here user if enter the value, we have to calculate the price. Now we have to go ahead and create int price is equals to x multiply it by we need to multiply it by 2000. Okay, then we can printf you have to pay LKR and then space, and I will add a percentage symbol and then D. Now I will add a comma, and then I want to printf something, so I will represent this price, but when we are displaying an output we don't have to use this ampersand in the left side of the variable. Okay, that's it, and I will copy this and paste that here. You have to select scuba diving. Okay, that's scuba diving, and that package cost is 5000. I will replace this with 5000, and here I will replace this 2000 with 5000. Okay, then I can also copy this to here. In this case we are doing the water rafting. I will paste that here, and that price is 7000. I will replace 5000 with 7000, and also here 5000 with 7000. Okay, now how we can run this? To run this in the terminal, you have to open your terminal, and you have to make sure you are in the current path of this file that you created. Now you have to say gcc and then your C file name, which is packageprice.c, and then -o, then again executable file name. Here you can use whatever, and here I included package price. Okay, here I want to put the semicolon to this else statement printf. Okay, again we need to add semicolon to here, and always we have to add the semicolon. printf another error in the line number for host, right? For host, right? What was the issue? Printf. This should be printf, not print. Okay, now how we can run this? To run this, you have to make sure you are adding dot forward slash. Otherwise, you will end up with the error. You have to make sure you are in the current path, and then you have to import the executable file name that you given earlier when we are compiling the C file. That is, in my case, I used package price. Remember, you have to use dot forward slash. Now I will go for host, right? And then how many people as 3? I should get 6,000. Okay. All right. Remember, if you use just example for example package price, you cannot run that. You have to always use dot forward slash when you are running. Okay, that's it, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.